In the crystal-clear waters of a serene river, lived a tiny stonefly nymph named Stella. She was not like the other creatures in the river. She was unique, for she had a special gift. Stella had the ability to change her color according to the water's purity. One day, Stella noticed a change in herself. She was no longer her usual vibrant green. Instead, she had turned a muddy brown. Concerned, she swam upstream to find the source of this transformation. As she reached the source, Stella found a disheartening sight. The once pristine water was now cloudy and murky, filled with debris and waste. A group of careless villagers had dumped their waste into the river, unaware of the harm they were causing. Stella was saddened but determined. She knew she had to warn the villagers about the state of their river. With a heavy heart, she swam back downstream, her color still a dull brown. The villagers noticed Stella's change and approached her curiously. They saw her muddy color and asked, "Why, dear Stella, have you changed color?" Stella, with a tear in her eye, explained, "I am a stonefly nymph, and I change color according to the purity of the water. Look at me now, I am as murky as the river. This is a sign that your river is sick." The villagers were shocked and immediately took action. They cleaned the river, removing waste and debris, and within weeks, Stella returned to her vibrant green, a symbol of the river's purity once again. From that day forward, the villagers always remembered Stella's lesson. They understood that every small action could have a big impact, and they pledged to protect their river and the creatures that lived within it. And so, the story of Stella, the stonefly nymph, became a reminder to all that we must cherish and protect our natural resources, for they are a reflection of our own health and well-being.